Good morning to everybody, learned teachers, respected parents, and my dear children. Today, even after 9 months of announcements and extensions of COVID protocol, it is difficult to predict when schools will restart. Schooling is supposed to look after the emotional, social, and behavioral health of children, which is diametrically opposite to social distancing. Presently, teachers are trying to engage with online teaching and learning. The technology may vary across schools and states, but as educators, we have to look at the implications of these new learning processes for learners. From live TV broadcasting of academic subjects, video interactions, online theater, to working with special needs learners, it is all about embracing learning anywhere and anytime. It is apparent that technological evolution systems, touchscreen paper corrections, digital books, and smart boards have become the new reality. Going forward in the new post-pandemic environment,
Good
what will be
morning, ma'am.
required is a
I am
huge
Srishti
shift
Thakur.
in mindset,
My roll
both
number
social
is
and
32.
emotional. A new approach is needed to teach in this altered online paradigm. However, wherever students have been involved with online learning, their
Thank you.
responses have been very good. This has strengthened the resolve of teachers across the country and has inspired them to work harder. The new challenge is how to keep thousands of children out of school if their parents are allowed to return to their workplaces, even if in a staggered manner. And whenever this happens, who assumes responsibility for a
Good
child's
morning, ma'am.
safety
I
and
am
learning at home?
Srishti Thakur. My
We
roll
need to
number is
ensure that teachers
32.
come back to work, students come back to school, so that hands on training can happen. Since many of them may not be technologically adept, for many teachers, their
Thank
entire
you.
world has changed.
Morning, my name is
From
Ritu
traditional
Bhaskar. I
teaching
am in
tools to
class 10
juggling
and
with
I am
gadgets
going to do
and software,
exercise.
they are relying only on their personal understanding. The pandemic has truly reiterated the much cliched skills of the 21st century: decision making, problem solving, ability to innovate, and most importantly, adaptability. These are extraordinary times, and we need extraordinary measures. The boards will have to perhaps look beyond traditional board examinations, not only for this current year, but also for 2022. There is no doubt that returning to school after this pandemic will truly be disruptive learning exercises at all levels. We need to manage our life first after we get rid of this pandemic. What we need to do is to learn personal hygiene, good food habits, maintaining physical distance, daily dose of
Thank
physical
you.
exercises, and keeping ourselves away from negative and unnecessary thoughts. We should never forget that we have been fighting an invisible enemy and we have almost won the battle. That indicates that we are strong enough to tackle any situation,
चलो
any challenge. We are stronger than the enemy. We shall overcome someday, is our
पैर
theme
उठा
song
रहे
today. So, to keep ourselves mentally fit, we need to practice few exercises. First of all, daily physical exercises at home. Secondly, having homemade food, fruits, and sufficient water. Next is daily hour for listening to soothing music, daily hour for dancing in the evening to keep our body and mind fit, reading good books, give us good food to the mind, good thoughts, doing domestic works with the parents. That's very much needed for the children as well as for the parents, because this not only develops the crazy relationship between them, but also develops emotional attachment to one another. Having sound sleep, at least for 7 hours, is very much essential to keep ourselves physically and mentally fit. And last but not the least, thanking our parents and the God daily for everything that we have got. I hope we have won the battle almost, and we will be able to win the post pandemic situations also. Let us fight together. Thank you.
Everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,